That's why we do here every year. It started from Shillong Peak. It's ending here.
We used to do in November.
Every November.
Every year.
Without keep the pipe inside, and once done, then our department advance the we start from here. After that, we use dance. Shabsu Muslim, they are in Batili. Right. The main issue of my life is because there is municipal tank is there. One big municipal tank is there. From this pipe line is close to Police Bazaar, to Umsok Sol.
Come out. Sini kita berapa kita? Kita kan buat sapor, kan buat bikin eka, dapat bantuan, kau bakut semua. Kat dua kan ni lah, nama lah asap sebentar.
No. I was around in the market only.
Yeah. So many years. So we could do it now.
Yeah.
Thank you. Easy. Madam. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for everything you're doing very great. Thank you so much. Oh, where's that one?
Mr. Muhammad, realignment of the pipe from Leo to all the localities. Is that can be?
Yeah, this pipes will be realigned or again put here only, or they could take it from out, because this pipe is not meant for the market area. It goes to PB.
No, do one thing. You call meeting with the municipal. It seems the main tank of
your visit to the market.
Good afternoon to everyone. Today, along with Deputy Chief Minister, Preston Tinsong, and our Tourism Minister, Paul Lingdo, and the Imam Alim, and all the other officials of different departments, we had visited Yodo market area, and the purpose of our visit was